Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to put message, call, email buttons on your Instagram profile. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the bell icon for instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. The first thing you'll need to know is, you'll need to have a business account in order to put an email, phone number, and message button on your Instagram profile. First, tap open your Instagram application from your app drawer, and if you have a personal account, make sure to switch it to a business account first. Go to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile. Now from your profile, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper right corner of the screen. From this page, tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on the account. Scroll all the way down, and tap on the Switch to a professional account. Click on Continue. Once you do that, tap on the Business button from the options, and tap on the Next button. Enter your information in the text field, and you can also add your business address by tapping on it, and enter your street address, postal code, and tap on the Save button. After you do that, tap on the Next button. After you do that, you've created a business account. Once you've turned your account to a business account from your profile page, tap on Edit Profile, scroll all the way down, and tap on the Contact option under Public Business Information. Now you can type in your email address, your phone number, and once you do that, you can choose whether to select the call option or a text option. If you want to put a message on your profile, then select the text option. After you do that, tap on the tick mark at the upper right corner. Tap on the tick mark one more time, and with this, you'll be able to put your message, call, email button on your Instagram profile easily. People can contact you from your email, your phone number, or via text message. That is how you can easily put a message, call, email button on your Instagram profile so that your customers can reach you easily. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.